Today, we're meal prepping a quick and easy Kung Pao Chicken. This spicy chicken recipe is great for lunches when you're busy and just want to have a quick meal prepped and ready to eat. This is a great option for people on the go or just to save some money. As prices continue to rise, being able to make delicious food at home is a great skill to have, and that's what we're sharing with you today. This recipe makes 5 servings, so let's get cooking. Cut 4 chicken thighs into about 1-inch cubes. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing Wine, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and mix. Let marinate for about 10 minutes. Dice a red bell pepper into about 1 centimeter chunks, and dice 1 green bell pepper into 1 centimeter chunks. Cut 1 bunch of green onions into about 1 centimeter chunks. On a wok set to high heat, cook our chicken and then set aside. Heat up some oil, add our whole dry chili peppers and the green onions as well. We'll toss this to really get some of the oil and flavors out. Then add our green bell pepper and red bell pepper. Let this cook for about 1 minute, then add our chicken back. We'll also add about 1.5 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add some peanuts and toss. Toss for another 1 to 2 minutes, and that's it. And there we have a quick and easy Kung Pao Chicken. We can meal prep this with a scoop of rice and Kung Pao Chicken. This portion size makes about 5 servings and can be refrigerated for about 1 week. Here are today's ingredients. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what foods you want to see next.